So, what resources do you use to prepare for physics?
Well, for me, the big thing that I realised is that uni uses a lot more maths in the physics, and A-level doesn't really do that. So I guess for me, it was like getting used to applying maths to physics questions. So I started with the Cambridge Natural Sciences reading list and started reading through to get familiar with the course material and stuff. And then I started doing some more, like I hadn't done much mechanics and stuff like that. So it was getting used to using calculus and integration, differentiation in mechanics situations and stuff, which applies a lot to physics. But yeah, that was my main thing. I looked at the reading list, and when I got my offer, they sent me a list of questions to go through, which kind of put me into the swing of it all. But that was my main thing. What did you do?
I think like at the start of it, when they sent me my reading list, my like problem suit, before I get there, I found that they were like really lengthy when compared to what I'm used to. So I think like I started just to look for lengthier questions, just go through problem books, a little bit of questions through them maybe. Or maybe something I also did was like, I went through one of the website, my university's past papers website, and I just looked at what they actually expected me to do.
Yeah.
To be able to do, and then I just looked through there. And I basically just went through my work. I think if you are going to Oxford, they'll send you a link. They'll send you a link to an online interface for physics, and this is not like compulsory, but like they won't mark it, they won't check it, nothing will be done about it. But it's really useful to get used to your first problem sheet when you get there.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. Another thing universities do is they offer like lectures and workshops you can maybe go to get into like just to have styles of what a lecture's going to be like and get used to those kind of problems. But yeah, I mean, Oxford and Cambridge have a lot of material online. They don't really close a lot of it off, so you can research example sheets and past papers, as you said. There's also stuff like websites like Brilliant or is it Isaac Physics? They offer like nice creative problems, which are very different and make you think a bit more about it, which is what the university style physics is. But I guess Olympiads is also another thing.
Yeah.
They're doing the full A-level Olympiads. If you really want to like push yourself and do like maybe the second round of the Olympiads and stuff like that, because I mean, there's not much point in learning more material because you're going to learn that when you're there.
Yeah.
If anything, it's more about practicing harder questions and getting more solid with what you know.
Yeah, like it's going to get less about knowing much and more about applying it. And using it, that sort of thing.
So yeah, it's mainly a good way in summary would be to use the knowledge you have at A-level, but to try and apply it in harder situations by doing it more advanced papers and doing different exam board papers and just reading the course list.
Yeah, that will help.